In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use branching and calculations in your form. If you want your form to feel smarter and more personalized, branching and calculations are two really useful tools to learn. Branching lets you control where someone goes next based on their answer, and calculations let you update values such as a score or a price automatically as the form is being completed. Together, these features can help you create forms that are more dynamic, efficient, and relevant for each person filling them out. To get started, open your form and look over to the right-hand panel. This is where you'll find the settings and tools related to how your form behaves. From there, select Logic. This is the area where you can create rules that change the flow of the form based on user input. Once you're inside Logic, click on Branching and Calculations. This section brings both of those functions together, so you can manage decision-making and value changes in one place. If you're building something like a quiz, pricing form, eligibility form, or lead qualification form, this is where a lot of the important automation happens. Next, choose the question you want to base your logic on, then set up an if then condition. For example, you might create a rule that says, if the answer is yes, then jump to question 3. This means the person filling out the form won't have to go through unnecessary questions, which makes the experience smoother and more tailored. Be sure to choose the correct answer option and destination question so the path works exactly the way you expect. After that, add calculation rules to modify variables such as @score or @price depending on the answer selected. This is useful when you want the form to keep a running total, assign points, or adjust pricing automatically. As each answer is submitted, the variable can update behind the scenes based on the logic you've set. This can save time and reduce manual work later. When everything is set up, click Save. Before you publish the form, take a moment to test all of your logic in preview mode. Go through the form using different answer combinations to make sure every branch leads to the right place and every calculation updates correctly. Testing is especially important because even a small logic mistake can affect the user experience. Once your preview looks good, your form is ready to go, and that's how to use branching and calculations to make your form more interactive and efficient.